So today I'm going to proceed from my last video. This is where we stopped, and we had actually eliminated any kind of duplicates, and as you can see here, these results do, in case someone did more than one assignment, the other assignment has been eliminated because we picked the best assignment done in terms of marks. So now we're going to the second problem. The second problem here is about the registration number. So we have two lists. We have this list, which is the original list of results, and we have this list, particular one, which has the same number of people and their names, but this time around they have registration numbers. So as I explained to you in the previous video, that sometimes you may have a challenge in the sense that you may have the registration numbers, okay, but you don't have the marks, or you may have the marks, you don't have the registration numbers. So what I'm interested in is to be able to show you how to merge the two lists and maintain them both at the same time. So what I will do right now, I'm going to bring the list of results, which is here. I'm going to capture it here, okay, copy it, and then I take it to this new sheet here where the registration numbers are. So when I reach here, what I'm interested in is to go to make sure that this new list of results also gets the registration numbers attached to it. So what I will do, I will add here a column because I want the registration numbers to come before the marks. So I'll put there a column and I call it registration numbers. Okay. I'm going to call it registration numbers. Sorry, I think I made a mistake there. Registration numbers. Alright, then after that, what I will do next is to extract the registration numbers. Okay, so here I use a formula called V-Lookup. So I say equals to V-Lookup, close the bracket, open the bracket, sorry, and I have to state the lookup value. What lookup value do I want to consider? So lookup value is this one here. Just a minute, sorry, I don't want this one here. Lookup value is this one here. That's a lookup value, okay? So I want to get that lookup value, and then I'm going to get that lookup value from the table where my registration numbers are. So I put a comma, then I say, okay, let me pick out the whole list of registration numbers there. Okay, then I put a comma again. Then I have to indicate the column from this list here, the column that I want. As you can see, this particular list here has two columns. One column has names, another column has registration numbers. So the column name is the column number 1, registration number name is column number 2. So I'll pick column number 2. So I put there column number 2, that's what I want, okay? And then I put there 0. 0, that's how you close, okay? Then you click enter. As you can see, when I clicked enter, it brought me the registration number of James, okay? So even if these names were disorganized in any form, like for instance, if this name was not James, maybe it was Katabazi, it could bring here Katabazi. Take an example. If I sort this name right now, let me show you what to do, what I'm doing right now, what I'm talking about. So I just do sort here, custom sort, then I say sort according to names, okay, names, and I say maybe Z to A, okay. Then I say, okay, as you can see now, these things have been sorted out. It starts with Saraswati, Orient, Lubumbashi, Katabazi, James. James actually almost the last. So if I put the same formula, you'll see that what number will be brought here will be the number of Saraswati instead of the number of James, which starts here. So let's see what will happen. So I say VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, I look up this particular figure from this array here. Okay, then I specify column index number 2, then I say exact match. Okay, then I say enter. As you can see, it has brought me BB112 CCM 2023. And if you come and look at Saraswati, it is the same number, 112 CCM 223. It has not given me 2112, no, it is 112 because the key was Saraswati, which is the same key here. So now for you to scroll down, you don't have to just scroll down, you're just supposed to fix, because this formula is picking from this array here. This array has to remain fixed. So we have to go to our formula and fix that array. So you highlight the array, which is A2 to B7, from A2 here to B7 here. So I fix it by pressing F4. Once I fix that one, then the rest becomes easy to handle. So if I scroll down, the other list will not change. And as you can see, irregular happiness is 2132, irregular happiness is 2132. So you can see now that has matched very well. So this is how, therefore, you can be able to extract registration numbers based on the names of the students, okay, that you're handling, and therefore your new list will have the name, registration numbers, and marks in a click of a second. Even if you have 1 million students, if you do this particular approach, you'll get your list properly updated in less than 5 minutes, and you'll save a lot of time instead of doing a lot of data, re-entering the data in any way. All right, so thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this particular presentation. Please share it and subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated on my next video. Thank you and enjoy your day.